Let me show you how to use my Bodhi Brightening Cleanser. First, wet your hands with warm water. Then pump 1 to 2 pumps of the cleanser into your palm. Gently make this into a lather. This activates our magic micro foam technology to release the energizing botanicals. You'll see, unlike harsh soaps, our magic micro foam technology makes thousands of micro bubbles. I designed them to be extremely tiny so they can clean deeper into your pores. Now put that lather on your face and allow it to sit for 10 seconds. Take those moments to just relax and take a break. When the time is done, wash away the lather with warm water. Before you dry off, if you have time, give your skin a little extra love. Place a warm towel on your fresh, clean face for 30 seconds. Just let yourself relax, enjoy it like you're at the spa, and when you're done, pat your skin dry with a dry towel. Remember, always avoid rubbing your face. When you're done, apply your favorite moisturizer, like our Rapid Brightening Serum or Brightening Retinol Night Cream. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.